Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and this is Dusty, the Flite Test Duster with his googly eyes. You may or may not have seen my past videos. I've built and painted this with the help of my son. It was a really fun project. Last time I was out with it, I finally got it to fly, and it flew decent, but it was a bit wobbly, and I have a safe AS3X receiver in this, a AR631, and it was mounted with Velcro, and I thought that might cause it, so I switched to double-sided tape. I also turned the AS3X gains down a bit, and hopefully this flight will go even better, and if it does, maybe I'll get to buddy box with this with my son if I'm confident enough we won't crash it, because I wouldn't want to see this crashed. So let's get it in the air and let's see how it does this time. Okay, let's hope everything goes well and safe. Ooh. Oh man, looks like it's nose heavy. Ooh. Well, looks like one tough plane, I'll tell you that. Great design by Flite Test. Everything seems to be in one piece. I don't know, is it too nose heavy? All the surfaces still work. The motors will. Haven't broken the prop. Let me shift the battery and try it again. Okay, I moved the battery forward a bit actually, because it was probably tail heavy. The CG they recommend is on the spar. It seems to like to go left, so I'll orient it to the right a bit. Still holding pretty much full up elevator. But hey, it's flying. I might need to adjust the trim, but it's at full throttle now. Let's try low rates. Man, this is a bit scary. I don't know, guys, if you have experience with these scratch builds, let me know. Oh, look, if I slow it down, it seems to handle a bit better. This is totally new to me, and this was a speed build kit. I want to try some scratch building, but maybe something with better, more forgiving flight characteristics. It seems to be doing fine now. It's about half throttle. There's still tons of up elevator. I have a 853S. I set the timer to 3 minutes just to be safe. Transmitter says I have one left, so let me try and land it. Luckily it's pretty durable. It's had its fair share of crashes. Ooh. And there's the latest one. Whew, I guess back to the drawing board with this one. I don't know, guys. Covering also came off here, but I can glue that back, I think. And I chipped the prop. But it's a cheap prop. Not a big problem. I don't know. What should I do to this thing, guys? I really want to make it fly for my son, so we can both enjoy it. He's worked on it as well, and he keeps on asking me from time to time. I get sidetracked by other projects. So any advice is welcome. Drop it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this sorry excuse of a video, but I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.